Hi, so today I'm going to assemble a Creality Ender V2 3D printer. So inside the box is the spare parts, accessory tools, and a pre-filament PLA. Tips to assemble the printer is to follow the user's manual carefully and everything will gonna be alright. So let's first install the Z-axis limit switch aligning with the Z-axis profile. Secure the Z-axis profile to the base with MX45 screws. Next is to lock the T-shaped screw rod on the Z-axis motor component, and then use two M4X18 screws to slightly lock the Z-axis motor component on the profile. Put the timing belt through the XE axis kit, the nozzle kit, and the Z-axis passive lock. Insert the timing belt into the tensioner block and put it into the X-axis tensioner. Together with the timing belt, tighten it with a plastic hand screw nut. Lock the Z-axis passive lock with one M4X16 screw and then lock the M4X14 screw. Install the Z-axis moving kit. Insert the two ends of the Z-axis profile along V-wheel on the both sides. Install the upper gantry profile and fix it with four M5X22 hex screws. Use the hex key to fix the four screws of the left side of the display module, and then connect the display cable. Connect the X, E, and Z axis stepper motors according to the yellow level on the 6 pins 4-wire port, and also connect the X and Z axis limit switches according to the yellow level on the 3 pins 2-wire port. Insert the Teflon tube into the pneumatic connector. Also insert the blue wire clamp. To power up the printer, first is to select the correct input voltage to match your local mains. Bed leveling. First is to select prepare. Auto Home, then disable the stapler. Move the nozzle near the top of the leveling nut. Screw the nut and adjust the distance between the nozzle and the printing platform. The distance is about 0.1 mm, thickness of a piece of A4 paper. So let's try to print. Cut the filament about 45 degrees angle. Load the filament, press the extrusion spring and insert the filament. So this is the test file to be printed. Save it to SD card as a G code. To preheat, go to Control, Temperature, and select Preheat PLA. PLA preheating standard. Nozzle temperature is 200 degrees Celsius and hotbed is 60 degrees Celsius. And then select the file you want to print. I also printed some few upgrades, like filament guide and B-slot snap cover. So, this is all the 3D model I printed. Some are nice and other is good for the beginner's eye. The quality depends on your type of the filament, also on your settings.